This is Warm Hug stamp set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 inch clear stamp set containing 9 individual stamps. A warm hug makes everything better. This stamp set features a unique layering style that allows you to stamp both the negative and positive of the image, or either of them alone. The negative block can be stamped either vertically or horizontally. There are 3 colouring layers, 1 for the sepals and 2 for the leaves, each covering 1/2 of the leaf arrangement. You can stamp any number of the colouring layers to create a different look. There are so many possibilities. Warm Hugs is a high-quality photopolymer stamp set made in the USA. For more inspiration and fresh ideas using Warm Hug stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.